Hello, awesome people. Welcome to DIY Solar Homestead. So, I got a question for my solar brothers. When the 24 volt system gets up to 27 volts and 26.5, I need a relay switch, and I don't know what the name of it is. I've searched all over. Don't know the name though. But when the batteries get up to full charge, then I get this relay switch to click over and to run to the grid tie inverters. Then we can run the meter backwards. I really need to know the name of this thing. So yeah, the 20 solar panels are going to get here someday soon. We just got some of these in, and I got several other kinds of connectors coming in. I got a bunch of them already. I'm getting ready to change some of these out so I can start making several kilowatts a day. I gotta get some tubing. I gotta learn to weld again. It's been a while. So built some real solar arrays. Southern Ohio Solar Homestead told me I just need to weld them together one time. Stay away from the wood solar arrays. Do it one time only. But I can't build them too big because I gotta move, so they've got to be portable. And it's gonna get noisy. I'm gonna let you go. You have a beautiful sunshiny day.